Hey guys, this is Paul with ConvertingCopy.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your website. So this is an important service to add to your site because it teaches you very in-depth analytical information about the kinds of people who are coming to your website. So you can learn not only how many people are coming each month or each day or each week to your site and individual pages to your site, but you can learn where they're coming from, the kinds of keywords which are bringing them in, and all kinds of things like that. So I'm going to talk more about that in the next video, but right now I'm just going to show you how to add it to your website. So Google Analytics is completely free. You just need an email address essentially to sign up. So once you get signed up, you're going to come to here. This is the home page essentially for your account. I have a number of websites down here as you can see, but you're going to have a blank slate if this is your first one. So we're going to come over here and click Add New Profile, and I'm going to show you just before. They do have the beta version if you'd feel more comfortable with that. If you're just signing up for this for the first time, I may recommend that you use that because this is going to be the way the service is going and what you'll expect it to look like in the future as they get this up and running. But right now I'm going to stick with the classic. I prefer this at the moment, so just click Add New Profile. Alright, so we're going to add a new profile for a new domain. So I'm going to use my how to set up a website easy.info. This is my training URL basically, which I registered a couple months ago to teach you how to go through the process of setting up a website for the first time and just the fastest way to streamline doing that. Very easy. So if you do want to know about how to do that, then check out how to set up a website easy.info and you'll learn everything you need to know about how to get set up. So I'm going to be using that domain. Just click Finish. Okay, so now it's going to take us to the tracking code which we need to install on our website. So just come down here, select all. This is the code for the analytics. So I'm going to copy. And then there's a number of ways to install it. I'm going to come up here to my WordPress dashboard for how to set up a website easy, because this is a WordPress run website. And what I'm going to do, which is really easy for me because I'm using a theme called OptimizePress, is I'm going to come to General Settings, scroll down, and right here in the Custom Tracking Code, I'm just going to paste that in there. And that's all you have to do if you're using OptimizePress or a number of similar themes. A lot of themes are built in with that capacity and capability of letting you just paste in the code in a certain field, and then it's right there. It's tracking. It goes on every page of your site, and it's just that easy. If you don't have OptimizePress or a theme like that, you can come down to Plugins. This is, again, if you are using WordPress. I'll teach you how to do it without WordPress in a second, but we're going to come to Add New Plugins and just search for Google Analytics. And there will be likely a number of plugins. So you can see right here, this plugin adds the required JavaScript for Google Analytics. Just that simple. You just click Install, and there's just a number of the ones right down here. So you can do your own research here. They're all free, and it just makes it just paste and click simple to add analytics to your site. So let's say, for example, that we do not have a WordPress run website. Let's say we're working with maybe HTML, like old school style. In that case, I'm going to come to my HTML editor, which is Dreamweaver, and I have brought up an old index HTML version of my Converting Copy site. So in this case, as you can see right up here, it says copy the following code, paste it on every page you want to track before the closing head tag. So all I have to do is come right here to find and replace. We can find that tag very quickly. Oh, it was right down there. I'm blind. And all you have to do, paste in the code right there, and that would be it. this is not the code I would use for converting copy because this is the code for how to set up a website easy. But there you go, and you would just save that and just upload that file using your FTP of choice. You could use it if you have Dreamweaver, you could upload it right there using Dreamweaver, and then you would have to add that code for every individual page which you want it to track. So it's much easier when you're using like PHP and WordPress and that kind of thing because you can just upload it to just one file essentially, and it goes off across your entire site. So every page is going to be tracked, whereas this is much more time consuming. You have to do it on every single page if you're using HTML. So just another asset and bonus of using PHP. So alright, so that's it for right now. And then when you're once that code has been added to your website, let's see if it's tracking yet. And there we go. See, analytics has been successfully installed and data is being gathered now. So it's not going to show me anything right now. This is obviously, I just added this on, so it's not going to retroactively check and see the kind of traffic I've had in the past. It starts from here on out basically. So within a couple minutes it'll be all set up, and next time in the next video I'm going to show you how to use Google Analytics to actually go through the different settings and options and really learn things about our traffic which is coming to our site. Okay? So thanks for watching. Until then, I will see you next time.